Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, working as an assistant professor in RBIT campus. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next topic, that is methods of data and information collection. So in context of MIS, collecting data and information effectively is critical for ensuring that the decisions are based on reliable, accurate, and timely insights. The methods used for data collection depend on the organization needs, like the type of information required and the resources available. So let's discuss briefly what are the major methods of data collection and information collection. So the first method is primary data collection method. So primary data collection is original data collected directly by the organizations for a specific purpose. The data is unique and relevant to organizations' immediate requirements. Like first is survey and questionnaires. In this involve asking respondent a set of structured and unstructured questions. Like they have advantage. It is cost effective for collecting data for a large audience, and it standardized format ensure consistency. The main challenge is that we have responses may be biased or inaccurate if participants are not truthful. Example is customer satisfaction survey conducted online. Second is interview. In this, we have one-on-one or group discussion conducted to collect in-depth qualitative data. The advantage is to provide detailed insights and allow clarification of responses. The main challenges are this is time consuming and resource intensive, and result may vary depend on interview bias. If we talk about the example is that conducting interviews with employees to identifying workplace challenges. Our third method is observation. In this, we use systematically watching and recording behavior or events in the real time. Their main advantage is it provides real world and unbiased data, and it is useful for understanding behavior and patterns. Their main challenges are observer bias may occur and cannot capture intangible factors like motivation and intent. Example is monitoring customer behavior in a retail store to access product placement effectively. Fourth is focus groups. So this is a group of individuals discuss specific topics to provide a collective insight. Advantages are it provides diverse perspective and generates qualitative insights into customer or employee opinions. Their challenges is first is group dynamics may influence individual responses and require skills facilitation. Example is a focus group to understand customer acceptation about a new product. Next method is experiment and trials. Uh, in this, we control testing of variable to access cause-effect relationship. Advantages are it provides scientifically validated data and it helps in testing hypotheses. The challenges is it is time intensive and may require specified equipment. Example is testing different pricing strategies to determine their impact on sales. So this is our first method, that is we know as a primary data collection method. Now discuss about the second method. These are the secondary data collection method. So secondary data collection refer to data that has already been collected, processed, and published by others. It is used when organizations need quick access to information or cannot collect primary data. So first source is published source. This source we have data from books, journals, research papers, or government reports. Their advantages are it is readily available and often comprehensive, and it is cost effective. Main challenges are first is may not be tailored to specific organization needs, and second is information could be outdated. If you talk about the example like using industry report for market analysis. Second source is online databases and website. So digital sources like online research databases, industry specific website or company portals. Their main advantage is first is accessible and up to date and allow for easy search and retrieval. Challenges is require validation for authenticity and accuracy. Example is accessing government statistic or competitive websites. Third source is internal records, data stored within organization for past activities or operations. Advantages are highly relevant and specific to the organization. Second is readily accessible for analysis. Main challenges are may not include external trends or new development. Example, using historical sales data to forecast future performance. Our fourth source is social media and online analytics. In this, we have data gathered from social media platform, reviews, or web analytic tools. Advantage is provide real-time insights, useful for tracking public sentiment or customer preference. Second is data can be unstructured and difficult to analyze. Example, using tools like Google Analytics to track website visitor behavior. So these are the two methods of data collection, and we have one more method also, which is automated data collection method. In this, we have revolutionized data collection, making it faster and more efficient. First is sensor and IoT devices. So devices that automatically collect and transmit data from environment or system. Advantage are provide real-time data and reduce human errors. Challenge is it requires significant investment in technology. Example is sensors tracking machine performance in a manufacturing unit. Second is web scraping. So this is the automated tool extract data from websites and online platforms. Advantages are collect large volume of data quickly, and it is useful for marketing intelligence. Their main challenge is it is ethical and legal consideration need to be addressed. Example is extracting complete pricing information from e-commerce. And next is data entry system. This is the software that automates the collection and storage of translation data. Their main advantage is streamline repetitive tasks and it ensure accuracy in structured data entry. The main challenge is it may require customization for specific use cases. Example is point of sale system capture sales transaction. So these are the four methods of data collection and information. We can discuss more in our next video.